Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Lightroom presets into Lightroom Classic. When you make an order from Digital Film Actions, your presets are automatically sent to the email address that your PayPal is connected to. Click the download link once to access your files, and you should receive a zipped file like this in your downloads folder. Double-click the zip file to unzip it, and inside is where you'll find all your Lightroom presets. To install these presets, we're going to head into Lightroom Classic. Open up any catalog and make sure there's at least one picture imported, and then head into Develop mode. Over here, you'll find all your presets to the left-hand side of the screen. All you need to do is select this plus button and select Import Presets. Then find the Downloads folder that you just unzipped, select all the presets and select Import. Lightroom will automatically import the correct preset file, and they should be ready to use inside Lightroom. If you have any other questions or issues, please check out our frequently asked questions page, which I'll leave linked down below, or you can get in contact with me via our contact form.